Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to use Google Classroom. This is Umar Khalil with ATX Learning. In this video, we'll focus on how to create a new classroom and acquaint ourselves with the user interface. So let's hop in. Head over to your logged in profile and on the top right side, you'll see a plus sign. Click it and select Create a Class. You might be prompted by a G Suite for Education pop-up. This is just to ensure that your school has already signed up. If so, check the box and click Continue. Thereafter, you'll be met with the Create a Class window. Here, you'll need to add a few details, such as the class's name. This is the only mandatory option, while the rest are up to you. This is the main page where all the interactions with the students occur. One of the key elements of this page is the class code, which we will need later on. Great, now you've got the basics done. In the next video, we'll go more in depth into other features of this service. See you there!